Fashion and textile industry is the second largest environmentally polluting industry in the world after the oil industry, and we are facing a lot of problems here.
My name is Julia, and this is my friend and partner Hannah, and we are both founders of the upcycling label Zyno. I think customers want to buy upcycled fashion in our special case because we use the materials like the leftovers or used denims, and in the final product you can't see that it's a used material. And when you think about the image of the upcycling, do it yourself, in many times actually you can see that it's an old garment before or old material, and we don't want to do it like this. It's like to use the materials as a resource and produce new designed high quality items out of it.
I think in Berlin upcycling is quite a huge trend at the moment, especially at small design labels, for example Schmidt Takahashi or also Mimikry. I think there's a chance also to have an upcycling as a special technique to attach people's emotions to the products.
My name is Amira Yehia, and I'm one of the co-founders of a new label which is called Blue Ben. I think Berlin right now is a hub for upcycling projects because Berlin is a lot about zero waste, upcycling, and all these newer concepts of how to reduce waste. So there are a lot of creative people in the city working on these subjects.
I don't think that enough people are aware of upcycling. I think because upcycling comes from that do-it-yourself scene. It's like special people who know about handcraft and like to do things on their own. In that area it's popular, but in the normal fashion industry and also on the normal fashion market it's not that popular yet. So maybe we need some big brands who really do upcycling, but at the same time I think then they really have to do real upcycling and not the greenwashing upcycling.
I see a lot of chances actually in education for sustainability, not only in fashion but for all the products we are using in the end, and starting there already at primary school and secondary school to raise an awareness for consumption and appreciation for products we are using. I think this is at a point where it really makes sense and where we really can have an impact on people. And I think this is also the other side, the consumption, the consumer, who has to change, not only the industry.